We are back, and as promised, let's answer some of your questions now. Josh, I come to you first from Mark in Pittsburgh. Is it okay to add to Uber at these levels? And that stock has, not been in good shape since earnings last week.
Yeah, I mean, you can do what you want to do. For me, I just sold it today, so I got stopped out. It was a 10% loss from when I bought it shortly after the IPO. I was willing to take the risk in this, but a defined risk. And the first report they had as a public company, I think makes it pretty clear that this is a business that plans to spend a ton of money for the foreseeable future. We all knew that, but I don't think they made a convincing case that they even have a handle on their expenses yet. That might happen next quarter. I think the next 90 days is going to be tough to be in this name. Until Wall Street sponsorship gets behind a relatively new company like this, you're going to need them to say the right things. And so far, they haven't figured out what the right things are. So for that reason, I'm out.
Okay. Joe, got one for you from Tim in Seattle. A long-term outlook on Amgen.
Long-term outlook on Amgen is go buy it. I think it takes out the September of 2018 high, which is somewhere around 210.80. The ruling last week from the trial court that upheld the two patents they had, Novartis was challenging it. That's very favorable as it relates to rheumatoid arthritis. Those are the Phil Mickelson ads that you see. So I think this company moves higher. It's got a great low beta of 0.84, and it's got the U.S. revenue exposure of 77% that I like.
Okay, Steph, we got for you from Jason in Catonsville, Maryland. Which one to buy, Oxy or BP?
Well, one is defensive and one is very speculative. So BP is your defensive. It trades at 9 times earnings. It's been flat on the year. You get a 6.9 yield, which is pretty well covered. They've done a lot of good things, by the way, as well. Oxy, on the other hand, has a lot of juice. They just took on an acquisition, Anadarko, and people don't like it. And even though the stock is down 26% year to date, and it also yields close to 7%, I don't know how safe that dividend is.